Hello, good to see you. Today I'm going to show you how to use a foam roller to do a fascia activation for the chest, for the pecs, pec major, pec minor. You're going to come down onto the foam about mid-back, and your elbows are going to go like a cactus behind the foam. Put your head in a comfortable position, giving yourself a slight chin tuck, but make sure you're not straining as you're holding your head in place. What I want you to do is press your elbows into the foam to contract your pecs. Once you feel that, you can start to move your body down. I'm going to open up those elbows a little bit wider. I'm pressing the elbows in, lowering them down as I roll down. Next, I'm going to focus just on one side. So press your left elbow into the foam and let your knees fall to the right. Take a look at the right, back to center. Press your right elbow into the foam and let your knees drop to the left. Good, keep pressing, maybe open the hands a little bit wider. So you're focusing on pressing into the foam with the arm and the knees going the opposite direction. Good, if your neck is getting tired, mine is, change your position, look up a little bit. Good, you can also move your arms in and out. You might get a little bonus crack, I just did. All right, and scoot it down, maybe go up a little bit. Try different places. If your neck's still getting tired, do one at a time, bring one hand back. All right, so let's go center. Let's do this again together. Press your elbow into the foam. Let your knees fall to the opposite side. Keep pressing the elbow in as you straighten the arm and bend the arm. And straighten it and bend it. Now lift your hip a little bit higher. Your pelvis goes up to the ceiling. It zips right down to my rib cage here. And then let the pelvis drop down. Press in. You're always keeping a level of contraction in the pecs. Not a ton. I don't want you to push so hard that this is really straining anything. I just want the connection to be there. Switching hands, bring your other elbow behind the foam. Let your knees fall to the side. Good, arm straightens and bends. Two more, straightens and bends. One more time, straighten. I like that. And bend. Find a comfortable place where you feel a good little activation. Lift your pelvis higher. And drop it down. And lift it higher. Keep pressing the elbow in. And down. I love this. Oh gosh, this is good. And up. And down. Bringing it back. Hand behind the head to support. And just give yourself a little roll to come back up. Test it out. See how you feel. Open up the heart. Roll the shoulders around. Awesome. I'd love to know, did you try that? How did it feel for you? Thanks for giving it a go.